Well, hi everyone, I've got something different today. This is the box that's arrived, and it's EC Cosmetics, and this is different because it's a starter kit, so there's a little bit of this and that in here. So I've just taken, as you can see, there's a load of sellotape on there, and besides we've got, looks like some information on the dipping powder, because there's a dipping powder in there, and also it's a polygel, and then there's these. They're wrapped very well, so I'll just take them out. It looks as if that one there is the dipping powder, and these are different because they're different colour on those. So we'll have a look what's in there. And the other two, I'll just move the box. And these feel heavier than these, so I'll just bring you in again now. So let's see what we have. We get a pair of scissors. Let's see what we have here. Oh, what lovely bottles. Look at them, how posh. They're really nice. This says soak off gel, so I would imagine, and that's a number 3. So we'll see what's in there. Wow. That's a lovely pink. I'm going to demonstrate these anyway. So that one, and there's another 2. So there's another 2 of the black bottles. So we'll have a look what this one is. Again, lovely bottle, and this one is an 01. And this one is, oh, that's more like a jelly. Very, very, very clear pink. So we'll have a go with that one. And then there's another one. Let's see what this one is. And this one is number 46. And oh god, look at that for red. Wow, that is red. Well, like I say, I will demonstrate these anyway. Come in a bit more. Right, let's have a look at the dipping powder. They're packed well. Cut it open. Okay, so this one is a number 13, and I would imagine it's got, yeah, that's a very fine dipping powder. So, like I say, we'll try that. Now there's 3 of these white ones. Like I say, this is a starter kit, so you'll be able to try. I mean, all the information will be in the drop down box. So this one is, just have to look at instructions, I think. And that one's very tight. Oh, it looks as if that's the gluey one that you put on first. Not a bad smell either on that one. That's really nice. So it's like a sweet smell, I would say. Oh, this is a base coat, so this will go on first. Yeah, that's the same. It hasn't got hardly, not a horrible smell at all. Well, on those anyway. Now, let's see about this one. Oh, this one's the activator. That goes on last. Oh, that is strong. Oh, that one is strong. Those smell nice, well, that doesn't. And the last one is the poly. So let's have a look what we've got here. So there's the poly gel, and it just says, be good, move things out of the way. There, 112. So I suppose there's a little thing on here, which it looks like a pink. Let's see if I can get that off. Yeah, it's a very pale pink. I suppose it's got to be tight. But anyway, I'll get that off. Oh, there we go. Pretty much. So there it is. So I'll move these and I'll get a couple of false nails and we'll see how they work. Okay, so I'm going to do the polygel first. So you will need some slip solution or wipe off solution, whichever you prefer to call it, in a little pot. There's the nail I'm going to be using, and we'll see how this goes. I'm actually using the brush and the scraper from Madame Glam. Comes out easy, I will say, as you can see. Make sure you keep that to the top. Keep that to the top so that it doesn't go hard. Well, that's nice and soft. Now I think you'll have to come out a little bit. Right. So I'll scrape it on there. And then we'll start to manoeuvre. Oh, it moves nice and easy. It's quite nice and soft. I mean, some that I've tried are hard, and obviously you get used to how much you'll need. But there again, this piece that comes off the bottom you can use on your next nail, because it will not go hard until you cure it. So that's no problem at all. So just take that off. It'll come off. But that's gone on very easy. Very easy. So I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds and we'll have a look from there. Really, these things don't need a lot of filing. And when you do file it, it is very easy to file. You don't have many problems in filing with these. And nobody likes filing. And dust that off. Fluff, and buff it off as well. Make it all nice and smooth. Now I think that this is all for the dipping. That's so I'm going to use another top coat with this. Well, that was quick enough. No problem at all. In fact, that's gone on really, really easy because it's not too thick. That's come out really well. Okay, so I'll go on to the next. Right, okay, we're going on to the dipping powder now. So you apply a base coat, then dip in the powder, then a second base coat. You do cure this in between, So it says. We'll see. Apply a second one, then the activator, and then polish the surface, and then you put your top coat on. So that was it enough. So we need the base coat. So we apply the base coat. And then we'll get that. Hopefully this will fit in. Just about. Okay, I can't put it in the other way. Obviously with it being on one of these. There we go. So that's all over there now. Now, like I say, that feels dry. I don't know if it needs to, because nothing's sticky with that, so we'll try it this way. So we'll put a second layer. I'm so surprised it doesn't have, on one side of it says cure, but I don't know. So, in we go again. Oh wow, that's come out really well. That's really nice. I can't see any coming off. So that was apply second layer and apply a powder. Now I've got to use the applicator, which is that one. The activator. Come on, wakey wakey. Not much colour comes off there. You can see it actually going into it. Oh wow. So that's the activator. And then it looks as if it's going to air dry, this does. So yeah, shouldn't be any problem. Really, for a starter kit, you need something that's easy to do. So I'm just going to make sure that that's dry, and then I'll come back. It's dry now, and it says just to buff it off, and it is air dry. So any young ones, and how quick was that? That was quick. Been for a night out, blimey. You're done in no time. Quick and easy. How we will like it. So I'll dust that off. Now, top coat. There. See how good this one is. Oh wow. That is so good. That is so good. So quick and vibrant. So I will let that dry, and we'll go on to the colours now. But oops, very impressed. Very good. So that one's dry now. So very impressed. Anyway, we'll go on to the colours. I've got my little stands here. So I'm going to use the number 46, which is the red. I do like these bottles. Very nice. That's a nice deep red. I would say 2 coats. can actually still see a little bit through there. So I'll cure that. Then I'll be back. So I'll put the stain coat on. Oh yeah. That's better. Lovely. Lovely smooth. Goes on easy. No problem. So I'll cure that one. And while that's curing, I'll do the next. Well, there they are all together. So these three are the choice of colour, you know, choose whatever colours you want. That's a normal gel polish. That's your quick dip, which comes out great, and that's your poly gel. So just move these out. Okay, so just to recap, this red here is the dipping one, and it is, well, foolproof really. You get your little instructions in there, which are great. You've got your three, let's bring you out a bit more. You've got your three, your top coat and your base coat, and then your activator. With those, and also with this kit, because it's a kit, a beginner's kit, it doesn't mean to say you've got to have what they send. You can pick what colours you want. So you just go onto the site and pick whatever you like. I just chose these. But as you can see, it works very, very well. So for that part of the kit is no problem at all. I just think that the activator is a little bit whiffy. And then for your colours, obviously you can pick, there's loads of colours on there. You can actually go and pick what colours you want. And these bottles, beautiful. And they're nice and heavy, so not so easy to knock over. So that's those. And your poly gel, which you can choose which colour you want with that as well. And I'm very impressed with that, because it goes on so easy. I mean, I've tried to do my left hand and it just doesn't work. It just doesn't. That's why I use a build gel. But this manipulates a little bit easier. Well, I'd like to thank EC Cosmetics for sending me these to try. And hopefully, you know, if you're a beginner, this is amazing. You know, you can have a try of everything. But I do think the dipping powder is very, very good. Well, like I say, everything you need to know will be in the drop-down box below. And go and have a look on the site and have a look what you can choose from this kit. And obviously it's much cheaper because it's a kit for try. And hopefully you'll have a go at it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review. And thank you so much for watching. And hopefully see you in my next. Bye!